Okay, we got a 1969 Camaro SS 396. Looks like it's a SSRS, I believe, with those type of headlights and stuff. I really like the 69 better than the 70. I tell you the truth, I like the 67, 68, 69 better than the 70. I don't know, that's just me. It's got the like the houndstooth interior in there. Okay, 396, final tap. Very popular, white and black. Nice color, Virginia plates, of course. Backup, and the 69. You know, it had like a little, a little bit more sculpted on the side here. It's one way you could tell the difference. Also, a lack of the vent window, because I think the vent window was only in 67. It's got the 5-spoke wheels on it, just like the original would have. Looks like it's basically stock car all the way. Probably an automatic, I assume. Not sure. Yeah, no, it's a 4-speed. 4-speed car. So good to go. Good to go. Looks like that's kind of like a decoration on the top there, I think. I'm not sure if those are functional or not. No, maybe not. Maybe these are functional. Maybe these are functional. Yeah, these are functional, I think. Just sort of let some heat out from underneath the hood. That's what you know. I know Mopar's got some there, just decorations. So, and I got to keep talking over that damn music that you're playing back over YouTube. You know, that's the way you got to do it.